Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your module 5081 on the Casio G Shock watch. This is the Casio G Shock GA100, maybe one of the most popular models out there. So as long as you have this exact module, you can use this tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3-4 seconds. You are also going to hear a beep. Now the first thing that we are going to see is the home city. We are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. Here we have the DST. I'm going to go past that, and here we have the 12-hour display or the 24-hour display. As you can see, I prefer the 24. In case you want to switch between the two, we are going to use the forward button. So I'm going to press it once, and as you can see, it now shows me 1 p.m. If I want to switch back, I'm going to press the forward button once again, and I have the 24-hour display. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can set the seconds. If you press the button, you are going to reset the seconds. Since we were between 30 and 59 seconds, another minute was also added. If I press it now, so between 1 and 29 seconds, they are going to reset to 0, but without adding a minute. That is something really important. Now we are going to press the mode button once again, and now as you can see, the hours are flashing. In this case, we can use the reverse button and the forward button. So I can press the reverse in order to go backwards, and the forward in order to go forward. You can also press and hold any of the two buttons in order to speed scroll. This is very useful in case you are setting the minutes or the day of the month. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again in order to adjust the minutes. Once again, I can use the speed scroll function and also the reverse button. So both directions are going to work here. I'm going to make it 5. So 5 minutes. And once you have correctly set the time and date, you can press the adjust button. In case you missed something, you can use the mode button to toggle through all the options that you have, and you are going to arrive once again at the home city, and then you can go past that in order to start the process once again. In case you want to finish and everything is correct, you are going to press the adjust button, and that is all. Now, the digital time is going to match the analog time. As you can see, the watch hands are going to go to 15 and 6 minutes. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time on your Casio with the module 5081. In this case, the Casio GA100. This is going to work for a bunch of Casio G Shock watches. So I hope you found this video useful. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, leave a comment. I'm also going to make a full guide, so a full tutorial of this exact model, and I'm going to leave it in the description box below once it is ready, so make sure to check it out. And once again, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, subscribe guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.